Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Railfanning. This is Rainbow Runner, and guess what? I just won the lottery. No, I'm just kidding. April Fool's Day. But anyways, we're here at Gilbert Road for an outbound train coming our way right now. I don't think this is going particularly fast because I was actually up at the canal when I heard it, I believe, passing McQueen and Baseline. And it took a while before it started passing Cooper and Guadalupe, but yeah, this is Gilbert Road. Checking out the water tower in downtown Gilbert. It's kind of, pink, yellow, blue, oranges, some kind of Easter colors, if I can say that right. Because Easter is coming soon. But yeah, it's now approaching the Gilbert Road crossing, and the gates will activate any moment now. This Toyota Tundra is going to make it across the tracks in time. Here it is. And 5305. Those are the locomotives. Oh, I don't know if you saw that one hopper car that it had like a semi truck on it. Kind of like graffiti, but. Train. 92709 is what it says on that last hopper car, the Union Pacific number. Anyways, up go the gates right now. Okay, no glitch of like having the crossing gates turning back on or anything like that. I know that I've seen that happen before, and same goes with Mark, aka Railroad Train Spotter. But anyways, glimpse down at Elliott Road. It's about to be done passing Elliott right now. It was a decently long grain train, as you can see, and yep, up go the gates at Elliott Road. and the signal is still holding red at the side, on the side of the tracks at Elliott. But yeah, I think it'll be it for this episode of Railfanning. Oh, by the way, check out that cool car right there. I'm sorry about the focus, but that looks like a Chevy Bel Air. Oh yeah, and also baseball season starting again. D-backs actually won tonight against the Yankees in New York, thanks to a grand slam by Eugenio Suarez. So D-backs have 3 wins, 2 losses. They split their opening series against the Cubs, but hopefully the D-backs can create some chaos this year. I'll probably be going to some games sometime, but in the meantime, that'll be it for this episode of Railfanning. Thanks for watching, guys, and Rainbow Runner will be heading out. And happy April Fool's Day once again.